Hello, in this video we are doing number 25 and 26 from your Try 1 Algebra 3 Final Review packet. We are just simplifying. The first one we're going to add, the second one we're going to subtract. So when we're adding, we're just combining our like terms. We're just putting together the things that look the same. So we have 4u cubed and 3u cubed. Those can go together because they both have u to the power of 3. When I do that, I'm just doing 4 plus 3, which gives me 7, and then u cubed will stay the same. I notice I have plus 4u squared. Nothing else has a u squared, so that one I'm just going to rewrite. I notice we have a minus u. Again, nothing else has a u, so we just have minus 2u. And my last one, I see a positive 6 and a positive 7. 6 plus 7 gives me 13. My final answer would be 7u cubed plus 4u squared minus 2u plus 13. For number 6, we're simplifying the difference. The only thing that changes is we have to distribute the negative to my second polynomial. So the first one's going to stay the same, negative 7x minus 5x to the fourth plus 5. And then we're going to take our negative and distribute. Again, when I do that, my signs flip. So if I do a negative times a negative, I get a positive 7x to the fourth. Negative times a negative gives me a positive 5. And a negative times a negative gives me a positive 9x. If any of those had been positive to start, when I multiplied them by a negative, they would have turned into a negative. From here, we're just combining our like terms. I'm going to start with my biggest exponent. So I see negative 5x to the fourth plus 7x to the fourth. When I do 7 minus 5, I get 2x to the fourth. We don't have any x cubes or squareds, but I do notice we have negative 7x plus 9x. If I do 9x minus 7x, 9 minus 7 gives me 2, so we have plus 2x. And then my last one, we have 5 and 5. 5 plus 5 would give me 10. So my final answer would be 2x to the fourth plus 2x plus 10. And that's it. As always, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your math teacher.